Hello, welcome all to this video. Today, the topic of our video is networking essentials, things that are indispensable for networking, produced by me, Mahfuzur Rahman. What is networking? Networking in information technology is the process of designing, building, implementing, and managing the interconnection of computing devices and systems such as computer, server, printer, mobile devices, IoT devices, and storage system through wire or wireless communication channel. It enables these devices to exchange data, share resources, provide services, and ensure communication within or across organization, ranging from a small home setup to global internet. Types of networks. LAN means local area network with a home or office. WAN means wide area network spanning countries, example the internet. MAN metropolitan area networks across a city. WAN wireless LAN Wi-Fi based. VPN virtual private network secures tunnels over the internet. PAN personal area network Bluetooth hotspots between close devices. In this video, we will discuss about network essentials in two segments for better understanding. Things that have physical appearance, we will call them physical components, and we will classify others that have no physical appearance as non-physical components. Let's jump into the detailed discussion. Physical components. Network interface card, NIC, cables, connectivity media, switches and hubs, and router. Network interface card, in short NIC. Every device that wants to connect to a network need a NIC. MAC addresses, media access control address, is preserved in the hardware of the network interface card NIC. Types. Wired NIC connects using Ethernet cables, and wireless NIC connects using Wi-Fi. Cables, connectivity media. Cables or connectivity media are the physical pathway used to transmit data signals between devices in a network. Ethernet cables, Cat5e, Cat6, used for wired LAN connection. Fiber optic cables provides high-speed data transfer, mainly for backbone networks. Wireless access point WAPS enables device to connect over Wi-Fi. Switches and hubs. A switch is a networking device that connects multiple devices within a local area network LAN and forwards data only to a specific device it is intended for using MAC addresses. Switches connects multiple devices in a LAN, forward data intelligently to the correct device, more secure and efficient than hubs. Routers. A router is a networking device that connects two or more different networks, for example, a home LAN to the internet, and forwards data packets between them using IP addresses. Connects different networks, example a LAN to internet, direct traffic between networks using IP addressing. Provides security features like NAT and firewalls. Non-physical components, IP addressing and subnetting, protocols, firewall and security device. Network software and tools, power and redundancy. IP addressing and subnetting. IP addressing is a method of assigning unique numerical identifiers, IP addresses, to devices on a network so they can communicate with each other Each IP address has two parts: the network portion, which identifies the network, and the host portion, which identifies a device within that network. For example, Google has an IP address 172.217.160.78. Every device on a network needs a unique IP address. Can be static, manually assigned, or dynamic via DHCP. Subnetting. Subnetting divides large network into smaller, manageable networks, improving efficiency and security. Helps determine network portion versus host portion of an address. Protocols. A protocol is a set of rules that governs how data is transmitted and received across a network. TCP/IP. The fundamental communication suite for the Internet and networks. HTTPS, protocols for accessing and transferring web contents. HTTPS adds encryption. FTP or SFTP, protocols for transferring files between computers. SFTP adds security. DNS translates human readable domain names into IP addresses. DHCP automatically assigns IP address and network settings to devices. Routing protocols OSPF, RIP, EIGRP helps routers determine the best path for data to travel. Firewall and security devices. A firewall is a security system that monitors, controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on rules. Protects networks from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Can be hardware, for example Cisco ASA, Fortinet, or software, for example Windows Firewall or IP tables. Types. Packet filtering checks packets individually. Stateful inspection tracks the state of connections. Next-gen firewall include intrusion detection, deep packet inspection, and application awareness. Network software or tools. Software that helps monitor, manage, configure networks. Monitoring tools track performance and troubleshoot issues. For example, Wireshark, PRTG, SolarWinds, Nagios. Configuration tools allows remote login, configuration, for example, PuTTY, Secure CRT, Terraterm, a router or switch OS. Operating system that run on networking devices, for example, Cisco iOS, June iOS, MikroTik, Router OS. Power and redundancy. Power and backup system that ensure networks stay online without interruption. UPS, uninterruptible power supply, provides short-term power backup during outages. Redundant links and devices, duplicate paths, equipments to avoid downtime if one fails. Backup power generators, long-term power supports during extended outages. Thanks for watching this video.